Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best toddler broom is probably one of the most sought-after cleaning tools for parents of toddlers aged 1 to 3, because it offers a unique blend of fun, educational value, and practical assistance in keeping your home tidy. This video will help you discover the perfect broom that will not only make cleaning a breeze but also foster your little one's development and engagement. Number 5. Play 22 Kids Cleaning Set. It's more than just a toy, it's a tool to spark imagination and responsibility. Watch your child discover the joy of cleaning and develop essential life skills. This set includes everything they need: a broom, mop, brush, and dustpan. It's perfect for hours of pretend play and even some real cleaning. The mop has an extendable handle, making it easy for little ones to reach high places and clean like a pro. It's designed for their size and abilities. It's not just pretend. This set can actually clean, making chores fun and engaging for your child. They'll love helping out around the house. Through imaginative play, it helps children develop confidence and learn about different cleaning tools and techniques. It's a fantastic way to foster independence. Ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a gift that keeps on giving, providing endless hours of fun and learning. What we like. This set has everything your little one needs to start cleaning. It's not just pretend play, it actually cleans. If you are looking for a fun and functional gift that encourages imaginative play and helps with chores, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The bright colors and child-friendly design immediately caught his attention, and the size is perfect for his little hands to grasp. It's clear that it's made with high-quality materials meant to withstand the energetic play of toddlers. The broom and mop have realistic textures that make my son feel like he's doing a grown-up chore, fostering a sense of independence and responsibility. This was a nice little set. My son loves it and almost 2 years later is still playing with it, and it's held up perfectly. He is quite tall for his age and is now 4, and they still are good sized for him. Number 4. Mini broom and dustpan for kids. This adorable set is the perfect size for little hands. It's designed to help children learn about cleaning and chores in a fun way. The soft bristles are gentle on all floor types, so you don't have to worry about scratches. It's safe and effective for kids to use. It's small and perfectly sized for little ones. This isn't just a toy, it's a tool to encourage participation in household chores. It's simple to assemble, even for children. Plus, it's designed to hang up or stand upright, saving valuable space. Great for parent-child activities, this set is recommended for ages 3+. It's lightweight and compact, making it ideal for small spaces. Use it for pretend play, cleaning up pet messes, or tackling small spaces in the kitchen, bathroom, or even a boat. If you have any questions or issues, our support team is always ready to assist you. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. The soft bristles are gentle on floors, and its compact design makes storage a breeze. If you're looking for a small, easy-to-assemble cleaning set that's perfect for small spaces and won't scratch floors, this is it. What people say. Bought this to take camping, perfect size for what we need, excellent buy. I got this to have a compact broom to clean up around my cat's litter boxes. Works very nicely for that. It's also useful for sweeping up the shreds my dog creates in his crate. Since you can take off the handle extension, it fits nicely inside the crate for cleanup. Think I'll get another one. They enjoyed playing with it and sweeping. Easy for them to pick up, and it's very light. The dustpan fits perfectly on the broom handle. Number 3. Battat Play Circle Mighty Tidy Sweep Set. It's the perfect set for little helpers. This durable cleaning set is sized just right for small hands and big imaginations. The soft bristles are gentle on floors, and the lightweight handle makes it easy to clean around furniture and into those hard-to-reach spots. Both brooms are ideal for any size mess, and the hand broom fits perfectly into the dustpan for a quick and easy cleanup. You get one broomstick with a broom, one dustpan, and one handy hand broom, everything needed for a fun cleaning experience. It's more than just cleaning, it helps develop fine motor skills, coordination, and encourages creative role play. Plus, you might even find your floors cleaner after playtime. It's a great gift for the little helper in your life. And it comes in convenient packaging, making it perfect for gifting. For best results, hand wash the plastic parts with warm water and gentle dish soap. Gently vacuum the bristles to remove any debris. What we like. It's built to last and sized right for little hands. The hand broom and dustpan snap together for easy cleanup. If you want a sturdy, well-designed set that's easy for toddlers to use, this is a great option. What people say. The product looks as pictured, is durable, cute and practical. My daughter enjoys getting baby's broom out and helping mom clean the floors. Our brooms and dustpan have stood up incredibly well to toddler handling and will remain a learning playtime product for months to come. It's well made and perfect for a 2-year-old little girl who loves to help mom sweep. It's also dainty looking and very girly. Perfect height, very sturdy, and cute. I can tell this will last a long time. Number 2. Mini Broom and Dustpan Set. It's the perfect size for little hands to help with chores. It's a fun way to teach kids about cleaning and responsibility. This mini broom and dustpan is designed for toddlers and preschoolers. It's lightweight and easy for them to use. Children love to imitate their parents. Let them participate in household tasks with their own special cleaning set. The broom head detaches for easy cleaning of hard-to-reach spots. It's versatile and convenient. This unique design is protected by copyright. You're getting a high-quality, original product. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Try it risk-free. What we like. This broom is small and perfectly sized for little ones. The detachable broom head is great for cleaning hard-to-reach spots. If you want a small, versatile, and risk-free option, this is for you. What people say. It does the job. Will break like any plastic if the kids abuse it, good under normal use. It's great for getting under furniture and in corners and crevices. The bristles are sturdy. It's well made. The dustpan is easy to use. It sits flat on the ground with a long handle. Number 1. JustForKids Cleaning Set. It's a complete cleaning set for pretend play. This set includes a broom, mop, brush, duster, and dustpan, everything your child needs to help around the house. It's designed to help children learn good cleaning habits and develop a sense of responsibility. It's a fun way to introduce them to household chores and boost their confidence. This colorful and cute set makes a great birthday or Christmas gift. It's perfect for toddlers who love to imitate grown-ups and help with chores. Kids learn by copying what they see. This set lets them participate in cleaning alongside you, fostering independence and responsibility from a young age. It's more than just a toy, it's a tool for learning. It helps children develop essential life skills while having fun. What we like. Made of wood, this set includes 6 pieces and is designed to be both fun and educational. It helps kids learn responsibility and develop fine motor skills. If you're looking for a durable, educational toy that promotes imaginative play and responsibility, this is the one. What people say. The cleaning items are very sturdy. Well made, and my grandson loves this to play while I use my broom. Great quality. Bought more than a year ago and it still has not broken, and my kids still love to play with it and help clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.